If you want to get a Gemini on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we need to download it from the Play Store. So you can find the app in the home screen, at least by default, or you can try to find it on the app drawer. So once you open the Play Store, we can go to search over here on the left side, and then tap on the search field at the top, and we can type Gemini in order to quickly find it. There we go. It is, well, it can be immediately selected, so you have to just tap on install button in here. In case that is not the case, then you can just tap on the app over here. All right, so let's install the app. And once the app is installed, you should be able to open it either by using this app over here. You will find the open button, as you can see over here, or you can go to the app drawer and find the Gemini app in here. And there we go. In this case, in order to actually start using Gemini, we need to make sure that we have this use Gemini button, so we can tap on it, and you should be able to, as you can see, use Gemini quite easily. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.